Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Greater Portmore and we are giving you an update on the construction of the Greater Portmore Plaza. Now this plaza is actually being renovated, but some new buildings are going up and some new structures. Now straight ahead we're looking at the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Now Shoppers Fair is a larger supermarket chain in Jamaica and they have been upgrading their stores around Jamaica. Not only the stores, but the entire plaza. In Harborview, I'm not sure if they own the plazas or they just rent the stores or they own the stores, but in Harborview, they renovated the supermarket. Well, they're actually building a new supermarket where the old one was, and the entire plaza has been renovated. In Duhaney Park, they built a new store where their old store was, and the entire plaza was renovated. And now here, in Greater Portmore, they are doing the same thing. The Shoppers Fair also owns the brand Progressive Foods, which has some very nice supermarkets. So I'm assuming they are upgrading the Shoppers Fair supermarkets to match the Progressive stores. Alright, so we're giving you a quick tour of what's happening here. Now, when we're making this video, I'm not sure where the front of this plaza is because clearly looking at this side, this looks like the back. We flew around to the other side and it also looks like the back. So this building on the right is a new structure that went up, and then towards the right where you see that red wall, that's where the old structure is. Now look at the building on the left where you see that red and yellow building, that's the old building for the supermarket, and where you see the white wall, a new structure went up. Now even the supermarket, I'm not sure if what we're looking at is the entrance. This is where the old entrance used to be. I'm not sure if they've just covered it while they're working. So if anybody has more information on this development, let us know where the front of this building is and what their plans are. Now we're going to fly over to the left of the building, and I'm assuming that this is where the service bays will be, where you load and where you unload the inventory for the supermarket. We'll keep you guys updated on this development, and if anybody has any further information, let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.